Good morning, student. I am DK Singh, PGT Accountancy from Chiranjeev Bharati School, Sector Nimasan, Lucknow. Today I will be teaching you Chapter 5, Accounting Ratio, and solve question 24. First, read question. Given value working capital. Working capital 4 lakh 80,000. Total debts 16 lakh. Long term debts 10 lakh. Inventory 3 lakh 40,000. Prepaid 20,000. Total debts means long term debts and current liabilities. Okay, calculate current ratio. Question number 24. Quick ratio is equal to quick assets upon current liabilities. Where quick ratio is equal to quick assets upon current liabilities. Working note. Requirement quick assets and current liabilities. तो किसी रिक्वायरमेंट है क्विक एसेट्स एंड करंट लायबिलिटीज. फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट करंट लायबिलिटी. करंट लायबिलिटी इक्वल टू टोटल डेट्स माइनस long term debts. Clear? Current liability is equal to total debts minus long term debts. Total debts value given 16 lakh minus long term debts 10 lakh. Long term debts and second name non current liabilities. Clear? And non current liabilities plus current liabilities is equal to total debts. Current liabilities is equal to 6 lakh. Clear? Current liability 6 lakh. Working capital given, current liability given. Clear? Calculate quick assets. First calculate current assets. Working to current assets is equal to working capital plus current liabilities. Working capital value 4 lakh 80,000. Clear? Working capital, use formula. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Clear? Working capital current assets minus current liabilities. Calculate current liabilities. 4 lakh 80,000 plus current liability 6 lakh. Total 10 lakh 80,000. Current assets 10 lakh 80,000 and current asset 10 lakh 80,000 and clear. Current liabilities 6 lakh. Working capital 480. Clear? Current assets. Calculate quick assets. Third, quick assets equal to current assets minus inventory minus prepaid. Clear? Current asset value 10 lakh 80,000. Clear? And inventory value 3 lakh 40,000. Inventory value 3 lakh 40,000. Prepaid 20,000. 10 lakh 80,000 minus 3 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh 60,000. Total value 7 lakh 20,000. कोई कैसे क्लियर? रिपीट. फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट करेंट लायबिलिटी. Current liability total debts minus long term debts are value given 16 lakh minus 10 lakh. Current liability equal to 6 lakh. Okay. Next, current assets. Current assets is equal to working capital plus current liabilities. According to working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Working current assets is equal to working capital plus current liabilities. Working capital की value given 4,80,000 and current liability 6 lakh. Total current asset 10,80,000. Clear? And requirement of quick assets. Quick assets equal to current assets minus inventory minus prepaid. Current asset value 10,80,000 and inventory value 340 minus prepaid 20,000. Total quick asset 7,20,000. Put value 7,20,000. 7,20,000 and current liability value 6 lakh. Current value 6 lakh. Quick ratio is equal to 1 2 3 6 lakh. Okay. Quick ratio is equal to 1.2:1. Clear? 1.2:1. Quick ratio is equal to 1.2:1. Okay. Repeat. Value put current quick asset upon current liabilities. Put value 7,20,000 of quick assets, 6 lakh of current liabilities. Calculate 1.2:1. Quick ratio 1.2:1. Question number 24 complete. Question number 24. Most important question. Value given current asset 32 lakh and current liabilities 20 lakh. That current ratio 1.6:1. But after liabilities paid, maintain current ratio 2:1. यानी आपके हिसाब से 32 लाख 20 लाख वैल्यू गिवन बट रेशियो 1.6:1. बट आफ्टर करंट लायबिलिटी हम ऐसी लायबिलिटीज पेड करें कि रेशियो 2:1 हो जाए. कैलकुलेट करंट लायबिलिटीज एंड करंट एसेट्स. क्लियर? न्यू करंट एसेट्स हमें क्या करना? कैलकुलेट आफ्टर पेमेंट न्यू करंट लायबिलिटीज एंड न्यू करंट एसेट्स. ओके. 25. let to be current liabilities paid. Current liabilities paid is equal to x. Clear? Let to be current liabilities paid x. Okay. Current ratio is equal to current assets upon current liabilities. After payment, mental ratio 2:1. After payment, current ratio 2:1. Current ratio 2/1. Current assets already given. Current asset 32 lakh. 32 lakh. Clear? And current liabilities 20 lakh. Maintain ratio 2:1. Current liabilities paid x. Liabilities paid means decrease in current liabilities, current assets, and decrease in current liabilities. Liabilities paid means decrease in current asset, decrease in current liabilities. X paid minus x minus x. Clear? Repeat. Let to be current liabilities paid. Current I not given. ये दिखा नहीं कितनी पेड किया. हमने मान लिया current liabilities paid x. X paid, current assets 32 lakhs, paid x minus x, paid na, decrease in current assets and current liabilities. Clear? Make equation. To first 32 lakh minus x. 32 lakh minus x is equal to 240 minus 2x. Clear? Minus 2x. Change minus x plus 2x. Clear? Equal to 40 lakh minus 32 lakh. Change x equal to 8 lakh. Clear? Current liabilities paid, value paid, current liabilities value paid rupees 8 lakh. Clear? Lakh to be current liability x, liability value 8 lakh paid. After current liabilities paid, current as is equal to previous current assets 32 lakh. Clear? Paid current liabilities 8 lakh. 32 है 24 lakh. Current asset 24 lakh. After current liabilities paid, current liabilities is equal to 20 lakh minus 8 lakh, total 12 lakh. Current ratio 24 lakh upon 12 lakh. Maintain 2:1. Maintain ratio 2/2:1. Clear? Verification 2:1. Repeat. First, let to be current liabilities paid is equal to x. After current liabilities paid maintain 2:1. हमें क्या करना है, लाइबिलिटीज पेड करने के बाद जो रेशियो है 2:1 मेंटेन करना है. क्लियर? तो लेट टू बी करंट लाइबिलिटी पेड एक्स. फर्स्ट करंट रेशियो इक्वल टू करंट एसेट अपॉन करंट लाइबिलिटीज. करंट रेशियो आर मेंटेन 2:1 and current asset given 32 lakh. Clear? And current liability 20 lakh. Liabilities paid, any decrease in current assets. Liabilities x, so minus x, so 32 lakh minus x. And 20 lakh liabilities, 20 lakh minus x. ठीक है? And maintain equation cross multiply 32 lakh into 32 lakh minus x. And 2 into 20 lakh 40,000 2x. Clear? Solve equation x 2x minus plus minus x plus 2x is equal to x. 40 lakh minus 32 lakh is equal to 8 lakh. Value of current liabilities paid, calculate rupees 8 lakh. And after current liabilities paid current assets, जो पुरानी करंट एसेट थी हमारी गिवन क्वेश्चन में, हमने लाइबिलिटीज पेड कितना किया 8 लाख. करंट एसेट 32 लाख बट पेड 8 लाख करंट एसेट्स. न्यू करंट एसेट 24 लाख. आफ्टर करंट लाइबिलिटीज पेड, करंट लाइबिलिटीज 20 लाख माइनस लाइबिलिटीज 8 लाख पेड, तो न्यू करंट लाइबिलिटी 12 लाख. 24 लाख करंट रेशियो मेंटेन 24 लाख अपॉन 12 लाख. 24 लाख अपॉन 12 लाख. 12 lakh 24 lakh. Clear? 24 lakh upon 12 lakh. Maintain ratio 2:1. Clear? Verified. Question complete. Current asset value given 5 lakh. Current ratio given 2.5:1. Current liability not given. First calculate current liabilities. Clear? And current assets purchased on credit आफ्टर मेंटेन 2:1 रेशियो, हमने एक करंट एसेट्स को परचेज किया ऑन क्रेडिट, उसके बाद हमें करंट रेशियो मेंटेन करना है 2:1, 2:1 आइडियल रेशियो, 2:1 आइडियल रेशियो, क्लियर, करंट रेशियो 2:1. फर्स्ट गिवन क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, करंट assets value given 5 lakh and current ratio is equal to 2.5:1. Current liability liabilities is equal to 5 lakh upon 2.5. Clear? 2.5. Calculate. 2 lakh. Clear? Current liabilities is 2 lakh. Clear? Next, current ratio given 2 lakh, that to be purchase current assets on credit is equal to X. Clear? Let to be purchase current assets on credit X. Clear? Current ratio is equal to current assets is 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Current liabilities 2 lakh. Yeah. Current ratio given 2, maintain 2:1, 5 lakh upon 2 lakh. Purchase of current assets. Purchase of current assets on credit. Increase current assets. Clear? Plus X. And credit purchase. Increase current liabilities. Purchase of current assets. Increase current assets and increase current liabilities. Calculate equation. 5 lakh plus X is equal to 2 4 lakh plus 2X. Clear? X minus 2X is equal to 4 lakh minus 5 lakh. Clear? Minus X is equal to minus 1 lakh. S is equal to 1 lakh. S is equal to 1 lakh. Calculate equation. 5 lakh plus X. Clear? 2 4 lakh and 2X. 5 lakhs 1x and x minus 2x full lakh is equal to minus 1 lakh. Minus x and minus 1 lakh. Minus cross and x equal to 1 lakh. Clear? Note down. repeat. First, current asset 5 lakh, current ratio 2.5:1, and current liabilities calculate. Current ratio is equal to current assets upon current liabilities. Current ratio 2.5:1 given. 5 lakh current assets, calculate current liabilities. Cross multiply. Current liability equal to 5 lakh upon 2.5, calculate 2 lakh. Current liabilities 2 lakh. Clear? According to question. Clear? Maintain. According to question, current assets purchase on credit. Let to be purchase current assets on credit X. Clear? Current ratio maintain 2:1 and current asset 5 lakh or current liability 2 lakh. Increase current assets X increase in current assets X increase in current liabilities. New question, 5 lakh plus X into 2 lakh into 2 4 lakh and 2 lakh. Calculate the question X is equal to 1 lakh. Means current asset purchase value of 1 lakh. Purchase of current asset value, purchase of current assets is equal to rupees 1 lakh. Clear? Current assets. After purchase of current assets is equal to 5 lakh plus 1 lakh. 5 lakh plus 1 lakh is equal to 6 lakh. Clear? 5 lakh plus 1 lakh. And after purchase of current assets, current liability is equal to current assets value 2 lakh, current liability 2 lakh plus 1 lakh is equal to 3 lakh. Clear? Current ratio is equal to 6 lakh verification upon 3 lakh. Maintain ratio 2:1. Clear? Maintain ratio 2:1 after purchase of current assets. This is verification. Okay. Question number 26 complete.